Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up and use vocal shortcuts on your iPhone and iPad. Vocal shortcuts is one of the most loved features that Apple has added in the latest iteration of iOS and iPadOS. What makes it so impressive is the ability to let you perform your desired action like activating Siri or taking screenshots with a custom phrase. That said, let's get started. So first we have to launch the settings app on your iPhone or iPad. And then you have to choose the accessibility option. And then you have to scroll down a bit and then select the vocal shortcuts option. And then you have to tap on the setup vocal shortcuts option. After that, tap on continue on the intro screen. And then you have to select an action for your iPhone to perform when you say the shortcut. Then you have to enter the phrase you will say when you want your iPhone to perform this specific action. Then you have to repeat the phrase out loud 3 times so that your iPhone can recognize it. And finally you have to tap on the continue option to finish, and there you have it. Later, if you ever want to use the vocal shortcut, just say the phrase you set up. Your iPhone will now perform the corresponding action. It's worth pointing out that you have the full freedom to customize the phrases for your vocal shortcuts. You can delete a vocal shortcut by tapping on the edit button at the top right and then tapping on the minus red button next to the shortcut you want to delete and then tapping on the delete button. Vocal shortcuts are a great way to quickly access frequently used features on your iOS or iPadOS device. Now that you have unlocked this neat feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives. I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.